Welcome to Lana English Channel. Hello, and welcome back to the Lana English Podcast, the #1 place to learn English with a smile. I'm your host, Lana.
And I'm Jack. We are so happy to have you here with us again. It feels like we're all sitting around a big table, drinking coffee and learning together.
It really does. And to all of our returning listeners, the ones who are here week after week, we just want to say we are so proud of you. Seriously, learning a language is a journey, and being consistent, showing up every week to listen and learn is the most important step. You are doing an amazing job.
Amazing job. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Go on, do it. You deserve it. And if you are new here, if this is your very first time listening, welcome. We are so glad you found us. You've just joined the best English learning family on the internet.
He's right. It's a pretty great family.
And since you're a new family, we have to ask you to do something. It's very important. It's a family rule. You need to find that subscribe button or that follow button. Why? Because if you don't, my pet parrot, Captain Feathers, gets very sad. He can't sleep. He just sits there looking at me with his big, sad parrot eyes.
You don't have a parrot, Jack.
Jack, please don't tell them that. Captain Feathers is very sensitive. So please, for the sake of a poor imaginary parrot, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means you'll never miss a lesson. Plus, it makes a sad parrot very, very happy.
Okay. For Captain Feathers, please subscribe. But really, it helps us know that you enjoy the podcast, and it helps other English learners find our show. We would really appreciate it.
Exactly. All right, now that we've saved the parrot, Lana, what are we talking about today? It sounds like it's going to be a very practical, a very useful episode.
It is. Today we are going on a trip, a shopping trip.
Ooh, I love shopping. Are you buying me something?
In your dreams, Jack, no. Today we are going to teach our amazing listeners how to talk in a store. We will teach you all the important English phrases you need to buy clothes, food, or anything you want.
This is so important. I think a lot of learners feel very shy or nervous when they have to go into a store and speak English. They worry they won't understand the salesperson or they won't know what to say.
Exactly. So by the end of this episode, you will feel much more confident. We are going to teach you how to say hello when you enter a store, how to ask for help to find something, how to ask about the price, the size, and the color, how to ask to try on clothes, and finally, how to pay for your item and leave the store with a smile.
We're covering everything, from the front door to the cash register. This is your complete guide to shopping in English. And don't forget, if you want to practice more basic conversations, you can always listen to our previous episodes, like episode 12, How to Order Coffee Like a Pro.
That's a great suggestion, Jack. Many of the skills are similar. Okay, are you ready to go shopping?
I have my wallet. My imaginary wallet, of course. Let's do it.
Short, fun, musical transition. Part 1. Entering the store and the greeting. All right, so let's imagine the scene. You walk through the doors of a clothing store. The little bell on the door goes ding ding. What is the first thing that usually happens, Jack?
Well, usually someone who works there, a sales assistant or a shop clerk, will say hello to you.
Right. They will probably smile and say something like, "Hello, welcome," or "Hi, how are you today?" Or "Let me know if you need any help."
This is the first test, the first moment of conversation. It can feel a little scary, but it's actually very simple. You don't need to have a long conversation.
That's a perfect tip for new learners. Keep it simple. You can just smile and say hello or hi, thanks. Let's practice that. Imagine I work at the store.
Okay, I'm the customer. I'm walking in. I look a little nervous.
Hi there. Welcome to Lana's T-shirt Palace.
Hello?
Perfect. That's all you need. Or you could say, "Hi, thank you." Let's try again. In a friendly voice. "Hello, how are you today?"
I'm good, thank you.
See? So easy. You don't need to say more. Let's repeat those simple replies for our listeners. You can say, hello, hi, thank you. I'm good, thanks.
This is a great tip for new learners. You don't have to answer every question fully. If a shop assistant asks, "How are you?" they are just being polite. They don't need to know about your whole day. Good, thanks, is a perfect answer.
Exactly. It's about being polite and friendly. Part 2. The magic phrase, I'm just looking. Okay, so you've said hello. Now, sometimes the sales assistant will ask you another question. This is very common. They might ask, can I help you with anything? Or, are you looking for anything in particular?
Ah, yes, the big question. And my brain goes, error, error. What do I say? I don't know the English word for what I want. I just want to look around by myself.
This is where we introduce the most important, most useful, most magical phrase for shopping in English. Everyone, get your notebooks ready. The phrase is, I'm just looking, thank you.
Ah, that phrase is my best friend. Let's say it again. I'm just looking. Thank you. It's so powerful. It's like a magic spell.
It is. It's polite, it's friendly, and it tells the person, thank you for offering to help me, but right now, I just want to walk around the store and see what you have.
Let's do a little role play. Lana, you're the super helpful sales assistant. I'm the customer who just wants some space.
Ooh, hi, welcome. Can I help you find anything today? We have a special sale on sweaters.
Oh, hi. I'm just looking, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Let me know if you need anything at all.
And that's it. Conversation over. Now I am free to walk around the store without any pressure. It's perfect. Let's repeat the magic phrase one more time together, listeners. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm just looking. Thank you.
You can also say, I'm just browsing, thank you. Browsing is another word for looking around in a relaxed way. Both are perfect.
I remember the first time I used that phrase in London. I was so proud of myself. I went into a fancy store, and a man in a beautiful suit came up to me and said, can I be of assistance, sir?
He was very formal.
I know. And little me, I just took a deep breath and said, I'm just looking, thank you. And he smiled and said, of course, sir, and walked away. I felt like James Bond. It was a huge confidence boost.
That's a wonderful story, and it's a great example. It shows that this one simple phrase works everywhere, from a small, friendly shop to a big, fancy store.
Part 3. Asking for help. Okay, so you've been just looking for a few minutes, but now you actually need help. You can't find what you want. What do you do, Jack?
You have to be brave. You have to go and talk to the sales assistant.
That's right. But how do you start the conversation? The most polite way to get someone's attention in English is to say, excuse me.
Yes, don't shout, "Hey you," or snap your fingers. That is very rude. A simple, "Excuse me," is perfect.
Exactly. So you walk up to the person who works there and you say, excuse me. Then you can ask your question. There are a few easy ways to ask for what you want. For example, I'm looking for, and then you say the item. Excuse me, I'm looking for a blue t-shirt.
Excuse me, I'm looking for running shoes.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the men's section.
That's a great sentence starter. I'm looking for. Let's repeat that one. I'm looking for. It's simple and clear.
Another easy way to ask is using where can I find? Excuse me, where can I find the socks? Excuse me, where can I find the children's clothes?
This is especially useful in a big department store or a supermarket. Let's say we are in a huge supermarket. I want to make a cake. I need flour.
Okay, I'm the employee stocking the shelves.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Hi, where can I find the flour?
Of course, it's in aisle 7 with the baking supplies.
Aisle 7. Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See? A simple, successful conversation. I found the flour. I can bake my cake. Everyone is happy.
Let's review those two very useful phrases for asking for help. I'm looking for, plus the item. Where can I find? plus the item.
Here's an English tip for new learners. If you don't know the English word for something, use your phone. Before you go to the store, you can look up the word on a translation app. Or even better, find a picture of the item on your phone.
That is such a brilliant tip, Jack. You can walk up to the sales assistant, say, "Excuse me," and then show them the picture and ask, "Do you have this?"
Yes, it's a perfect strategy when you're learning a language. Let's practice that. Excuse me, do you have this? I'll pretend to show a phone.
Ah, yes, the new Super Mega Phone Charger 5000, right this way. Using pictures is a great communication tool when you're learning a language. Don't be shy to do it.
Summary and final tips. Wow, Lana, we covered a lot today. We went from walking into the store to walking out with a brand new shirt.
We really did. I hope everyone listening feels more prepared and less nervous now. Let's do a super fast review of the most important phrases we learned today.
Let's do it. The greatest hits of shopping English. When you just want to look. I'm just looking, thank you.
To get someone's attention. Excuse me.
To ask for something, I'm looking for, or where can I find?
To ask about price. How much is this?
To ask about size or color. Do you have this in large, or do you have this in blue?
To ask to try clothes on. Can I try this on?
And at the checkout, when you don't understand, no thank you.
If you can remember just those phrases, you can handle almost any shopping situation.
And remember our English tips for new learners. It's okay to be simple. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Use your phone. A picture is a great tool for communication. Don't be afraid to say, I don't understand. People are usually very happy to help or to speak more slowly.
That is the most important one. Most people are kind and will be patient with you. Learning a language is a beautiful thing, and people respect that you are trying.
Absolutely. So our challenge for you this week is to practice. You don't even have to go to a real store. You can practice at home. Walk around your room and pretend to be in a store. Pick up a book and ask, how much is this? Pick up your own shirt and ask, do you have this in red?
That's a great idea, Jack. Practice with a friend or family member, or just with yourself in the mirror. The more you say these phrases out loud, the more comfortable you will feel when you have to use them in a real store.
You've got this. We believe in you. You are getting better at English every single day just by listening to this podcast.
That is so true. Thank you all so much for joining us for another episode of the Lana English Podcast. It was so much fun going shopping with you today.
Don't forget to subscribe for our imaginary parrot, Captain Feathers. And please check out our other episodes for more fun English lessons.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that every mistake is a step forward. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping.